ASTM A193 B8ML CUNA Class 1A SMO 254, UNS number is 31254. SMO 254 is a austenitic stainless steel alloy with 6% molybdenum and nitrogen, and it has a very high resistance to craving and surface corrosion. Alloy 254 SMO was specially developed for the pulp and paper industry and for offshore use and oil and gas platform. Chemical properties as per table. Physical properties as per table. And heat treatment as per table. Applications. Alloy SMO 254 is used to particular in areas requiring resistance to chlorinated seawater, as well as in flue gas cleaning, maritime exhaust gas cleaning, bleaching plants in the pulp and paper industry, and in the chemical industry. Thank you.